I sometimes work with some partners.
Yeah.
In like Sigma, they made this custom hat, which I just gotta call out. It's nice. They made this custom
That
hat.
is
for me.
that is really nice hat. Yeah.
It is pretty epic. But realistically, how do you balance as a company that has that out of the box value that I love about that about Databricks?
Yeah.
It's one of the things I talk about a lot. It's probably my number one reason that to choose Databricks over other platforms. So how do you balance as a company between that competition, if you will, for what products are used when you have, again, partners within your ecosystem?
Yeah, so here's the thing. One thing we'll be talking about, Matteo will talk a lot about tomorrow, is openness of Unity Catalog. Literally, whether it's Delta or Iceberg, you're not gonna find another catalog, first of all, that spans tables to models and stuff, but lets you read write from external engines. You take an external engine, read write through Unity Catalog, IRC to Iceberg, it works better than if Unity Catalog's not there. Why do we do that? Why? We don't charge for Unity Catalog. We help these external engines be better. For our customers, we take no money. Why do we do that? Well, because everything going through there trains the brain, right? It trains the brain, which is Unity Catalog. And so we think our engines are pretty good. So then we can win the workload year after year on the merits of our engine. If our engine isn't good, swap it out, use another engine. You know Hex?
Yes.
Yeah. So we're invested in Hex, right? When we were initially talking to Hex, we thought awesome product, plugs right on top of Unity Catalog through the SQL endpoint, all these things. I think, I don't know, through all the endpoints, I think. I'm not exactly sure. The notebook team was like, you're investing in them? Like, we got some pretty sweet notebooks here. But of course we invested in them, you know? And so we invest in all of these. If you sit on top of Unity Catalog, we'll invest in you. You're not a platform unless you have apps.
Yeah.
We don't care if our apps win. We want them to. I mean, we care.
Yeah.
But the thing is, we want the platform to win. If people aren't building things we never imagined on top of the Lakehouse, now that they have Lakebase as the OLTP, and they have kind of the Lakehouse apps to do bespoke stuff, if we're not shocked, if people aren't getting rich on our platform, we're not a platform.
Yeah. So at the end of the day, the win is not, hey, is a customer using every single Databricks feature? Well, you might like that.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, the win is, are our customers, and do they have everything that they need to get the outcomes that they
And it makes the platform better. Pick any platform. YouTube makes a lot of money. Influencers make more. Like the brands, like the people that use the platform to drive their business, they need to make more money.
Yeah.
And so we need all of these different, whether IDEs or AI platforms or notebooks, or we need everybody to be building this platform up and for people to buy into this open catalog where you own your own data. We're the only platform like this where by default, your data is stored in an open platform that you own that we don't make money on.
Well, and to be fair, the Databricks team as a whole has a lot of folks working with ISVs.
Yeah.
That's their job, is to see the ISVs win.
Whether and I think that's kind of like the whole, the built on Databricks, the built on the Lakehouse, and now there's funding for that and stuff like that. The ingredients that was missing, honestly, was Lakebase and Lakehouse apps. And now it's gonna be crazy.